Let's say you are given this data in which we have columns for ID, client, city, and sales. You have been given some IDs and told to retrieve the city and sales from this data without any lookup function. Let's dive into it. Press the shortcut Alt+A+Q. The advanced filter dialog box will appear. In the list range, your data will be selected by default, and if not, you will select it with the header. Check Copy to another location. In the criteria range, you will select all the IDs given for lookup. In Copy to, select the city and sales cells. And press OK. Your data has been retrieved. That's it.